morning everyone, absolutely fantastic to have you here at Heronbrook Farm Kitchen. Today we're going to be making milk loaf, English milk loaf, which is my absolute favourite loaf for making sandwiches, for toasties, for egg on toast, for beans on toast, you name it, this is absolutely perfect for it. It's an English classic, it's a slow loaf, it takes a whole day to make. But we'll go through it in stages. Really easy to make at home. It is one you do need a stand mixer for, but we'll take you through it, all of the ingredients. Let's jump in. Okay, on with the second stage. 400 grams of strong white flour straight into the bowl of the stand mixer. Then we go in with 35 grams of caster sugar, 7 grams of sea salt, and the pre-ferment that we made earlier this morning in phase 1. Let's get the cling film off, spatula, and literally just scrape that in straight on top of the flour and the salt and the sugar that we've just put in. And then 185 grams of whole milk, blue milk in. Leave the butter, that goes in later, and we're going to need the dough hook as we stick this on the stand mixer. So you can see that's just starting to come together. We're doing this on a slow speed for about 2 minutes. And once it's all come together, we'll turn the speed up. So we just go straight in with the butter, leave it on a fast speed. It will take a bit of time to incorporate, but if you're patient, it will eventually go in. I add about half the butter, leave it for a minute or so, and then add the other half. Right, let's get it turned out. We've got a decent sized bowl which I've oiled. We've got our scraper ready and I've lightly oiled the worktop. You really don't want to add any more flour at this stage. So let's just scrape that down, get the dough hook out, and we'll get it turned out. Beautiful, soft, lovely, flexible dough. Just gently shape that into a ball, it won't stick. Into the bowl, perfect. Get some cling film on, and we're going to leave that to prove for another 2 hours. Right, welcome back. That's now finished its first rise. As you can see, more than doubled in size. So we're going to get that out of this bowl, shaped up into 4 identical balls, and then put it in its loaf tin for its second proof. So let's get on with that. Now we just drop them into the tin. Job done, ready to cover, and we'll leave those for another 2 hours to rise just about to the top of the tin. Right, welcome back. So this has had nearly 3 hours of proving on its second rise. As you can see, it's just up to the top of the tin. So we're going to go and get that in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. The oven's been preheating for the last 30 minutes at 200. As soon as we get it in, we'll turn it down to 180. Right, into the oven. So I'm going to turn it down to 180 degrees. Just give it a hit of steam. Okay, look at that rising now in the oven. Don't know whether you can see that through the door, but it's just puffing up beautifully. Slight amount of cracking around the tin, which is exactly what you want. That's not a fault. That's a feature, and it's looking good. So as I say, 30 minutes. If you haven't got steam injection on your oven, a lot of domestic ovens actually do have it now. Just stick in an oven tray at the bottom, allow that to preheat with the oven, and then just before you stick the bread in, pour in some warm water. Just do watch out because it will steam up, and that will have exactly the same effect as putting steam injection in. But that's looking beautiful, really pleased with that. That's it, time's up. Right, there it is, fresh from the oven, beautiful brown crust on top. Let's tip it out. There we are, absolutely perfect, beautiful, beautiful smell, buttery, sweet, lovely English milk loaf. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this. One of many recipes we're going to be putting on YouTube over the next few weeks. If you like what you've seen here, please remember to subscribe and leave us some comments and hit that like button. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.